is PRAVEEN. I am from Hyderabad. I have recently graduated from St. Mary Group of Hyderabad in the year of 2024 with a grade of 65%. After completion of my graduation, I have joined in the Pyspiders Punjagutta in the month of July 2024, and I have selected a Python full stack course, and I have completed with Python, SQL, and web technologies, React and Django. Here, Python is teached by Rafik sir, and web technology is by Reshma ma'am, and Django by Sagar sir, SQL by Yogi sir, and React by Geeta ma'am. Each and every trainer are very friendly to solve our doubts, and they are always motivate us to practice more practical knowledge to get better knowledge in the particular subject. And after completion of subjects, each and every trainer conducts mock tests to improve the more knowledge on the particular subject. And these mock interviews are helpful me to crack an interview. And then after each and every subject conducts a grooming session. These grooming sessions are more important to every student to crack an interview. Before I have joining the institution, I have less knowledge in the particular subjects. After I completion of my course, I have got more knowledge in the particular subjects, and I have recently got job